Do you want your business to grow online and get more customers without spending much to create and maintain your website? Meet Digitalmall. It's an easy and affordable way to get your business online and keep it running smoothly. Imagine having your own business platform without worrying about buying domain, hosting, business tools. We will do everything for you. With our service, you can pick the tools your business needs. Payment gateway, accounting solution, delivery solution, WhatsApp ordering, reporting analytics, etc. You choose what you want. We will also do all the listings on your platform and will manage it for you. It's a great way to help your business grow. Are you ready to get more customers and increase your sales at this great price? Contact Digitalmall today and be part of this amazing opportunity.